Make sure you get the flaky layers. Let's try to pop this bad boy open. What do you say? What a shocker. It didn't pop. There we go. We're going to take our flaky layer biscuits here and split them apart. Okay. These are going to be the bottoms of our little pizza sandwiches that we're making today. Now I have these lined silicone muffin cups. I think that's what I decided what they're called. And we're just going to fill these in there. And I'll tell you what, y'all, this was a lifesaver for me the last time I used them. So hopefully it all goes well again today and these come out easy like. Guys, I made these with breakfast items in it and they turned out awesome. So I'm gonna find new ways to incorporate them, make them even better with different fillings. You guys can go to town on them too. Tell me what you would make out of these little muffin sandwiches. And maybe I'll make them too. All right, so we're gonna press those in. Okay. We have our toppings here. We're going with some ham, some bacon, 2 kinds of cheeses. We're gonna start off with some mozz on the bottom of each of these. Okay, the mozz is your traditional pizza cheese, right? When I say mozz, you know it's mozzarella. All right, that's going in. Okay. We're gonna do a little spoonful of some pizza sauce in there. Don't go overboard with it. You don't want it like flooding your muffin here. Again, keep it PG in the comments. Don't talk about flooding your muffin. And the last one. Going with a couple cubes of ham. And if you add pepperoni, you could use that too. Sausage, you could use that too, but I had some ham and some bacon bits. And you know bacon makes everything better. And this is just cooked, chopped up bacon. Okay. We'll finish off with our cheddar cheese. All right, last little bit in there. Set that aside. Looking good, looking good. Top our little muffins here with the other half of the biscuits. And the coverage doesn't have to be perfect. It'll expand in there. We have some melted butter here. We're gonna throw in a little Italian seasoning because why the hell not? Little garlic powder, not salt, garlic powder, okay? Just about half a teaspoon or so, give or take. Give it a little mixy mix. Take our little butter mixture, just go over the top. Make these nice and luscious and golden brown. Team, we're gonna get these in a 350 oven, 20-ish minutes. Just wanna make sure those biscuits get cooked all the way through, of course. But these are gonna be spectacular and almost guaranteed. I'll see you in a sec. Team, we're all done. Let's see if we can get one of these bad boys out. I'm telling you, these are worth the price. Look how perfect that pizza muffin is. Let's get a little cross section. What do you say? Gotta get that all important cross section. All right, there you go. Little pizza biscuit sandwich. Probably could have put more toppings in there, but it's a flavor bomb, y'all. These are fun little biscuit pizza sandwiches or pizza biscuit sandwiches or sandwiches that have biscuits and pizza. Whatever you call it good. Make these. Maybe another good.